there's echoes in here. Look. Bell! See? Echoes out of the tunnel. We are just getting out, and this is how it looks like. There are so many echoes in there. Let's keep going on the hike and see if we find any nature. Just to tell you a warning, look out for poison ivy, because Claire got one, I guess. Well, I guess I did, but now it didn't really hurt. That's awesome. Let's keep going on the hike and see what nature we can find. Look at the river! Whoa! It's just sparkly and shiny. It looks so magical. Oh, hi. There's a lizard down here. I bet you can't see it. Sometimes it's hard to see. It's going in the rock. We're just walking, and we're still at the riverside. And we saw a bird nest, but I think we can't really see it. Well, but it's at least very cool. Hi. Look, a dragonfly. Claire spotted it. It's so clear. Her wings are so clear. They can't even really see them very lot. Hardly. It's so cool and shiny. It's probably as shiny as that water. I'm just coming back and I stopped next to a good spot at the lake to throw in the stone. I'll teach you the steps. First, raise it high above your head. Place it back and do what is this about? You just... Yay!
Yay!
Hey, I just noticed that red tree over there. Look, it has a red trunk. Isn't it beautiful? I wish I could see one of these at home.
Go. Hey, hop.
Wow!
Hi guys, we're at the riverside, and I'm gonna guess what? This water provides water for the whole Bay Area. We use it every day. This water is for washing vegetables, washing your hands, for the shower, for the bath, for like almost every water system we use. And this water is super clean, super shiny, and extra beautiful. Everyone likes this hike because of this water. It's so beautiful. I can't stop staring at it. I want it to be around here the whole day. So right now we're at this Hetchy Reservoir, and it leads all the way down here. This whole area is where this water comes from. So we stopped at something that makes electric. That water over there, it forms a tunnel all the way through all the way there. And when it goes out of the hole, it goes somewhere to called a repair engine and makes electricity. And this is how it's supposed to look like. So this is the river right now. And this is the tunnel I was talking about, going down to this area. It looks like this in real life, and then it goes down here, and look, this is a piece that makes it do energy. Do you see this inside your neighborhood? This is everywhere. It helps make the energy electric for your city.